Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best fan filter is probably one of the most overlooked components in your computer setup, but trust me, it's a game changer. Dust, pet hair, and all sorts of debris can wreak havoc on your precious components, leading to overheating and performance issues. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of fan filters, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your rig running cool and clean. Number 5. ELUTENG 120mm USB-powered cooling fan. This is the ELUTENG 120mm USB cooling fan. It's designed to keep your electronics cool and running smoothly. It's a versatile solution for various devices. This fan provides effective cooling with minimal noise. At low speed, it operates at only 23 dB. You can enjoy a cool environment without distractions. The fan features a speed controller, allowing you to adjust the airflow. You can easily switch between low, medium, and high speeds to meet your specific cooling needs. It utilizes dual ball bearings, ensuring a long lifespan of up to 45,000 hours. The 7-blade design generates a strong airflow, keeping your devices cool and preventing overheating. You can place it flat or stand it upright, making it ideal for various spaces. It's perfect for laptops, receivers, game consoles, and other electronics. The fan includes aluminum grills on both sides for protection. They prevent accidental contact and protect the cord during operation, ensuring safe use. What we like. This USB-powered fan is incredibly versatile. It offers 3 different speeds to suit your cooling needs. If you have a small space or need to cool down electronics like a router or game console, you should consider this one. It's perfect for keeping things cool and quiet. What people say. It works and provides effective cooling with the fan continuously running on its low setting. The HML switch is small enough to fit through my belt loops, and with some planning, the cable can easily be strung through my belt loops, keeping the switch conveniently placed at my side for easy access. The grates on both sides are a must-have. Number 4. DIY PC Case Dust Mesh Filter, 2-pack. This dust filter comes in 2 400 by 300mm pieces. You also get 8 400mm magnetic strips, so you can easily customize the size to fit your needs. The magnetic strips make installation a breeze. This filter keeps your computer and its components clean without the need for screws. It's simple and convenient. Made from PVC, this filter reduces the time you spend cleaning your fans and other parts. This helps extend the life of your components. Cleaning and replacement are also very easy. The filter is made of durable and flexible PVC plastic. It's designed with professional lines for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. The package includes 2 magnetic dust filters and 8 magnetic strips. If you have any questions, please contact us for a prompt and detailed response. We are here to help you. What we like. This dust filter offers a DIY experience with its multiple size options. The magnetic strips make installation a breeze, no screws needed. If you are looking for a flexible and easy-to-install dust filter for your PC case, this is the one. It's perfect for keeping your components clean and dust-free. What people say. Easy to install. The filter is magnetic, which makes it easy to attach and remove for cleaning. The mesh is fine enough to catch dust, but still allows for good airflow. Number 3. 120mm PVC Black PC Cooler Fan Dust Filter. This dust filter is designed to keep your computer components clean. It is suitable for home computer chassis fans and other electrical products. This helps to maintain optimal performance. The filter provides excellent dust protection for your PC. It can be used for speaker grills and various electrical and electronic products. This helps to prevent dust from entering and causing damage. By keeping your PC clean, this filter helps prevent overheating. It allows for better airflow, ensuring your components stay cool. This extends the lifespan of your fan. This filter minimizes the noise from your fan. It helps to create a quieter computing environment. You'll notice a significant reduction in fan noise. The filter is easy to install and fits most 120mm fans. It's a simple solution for protecting your computer. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your PC. The filter is black and made of high-quality PVC. It measures 120 by 120 mm, making it compatible with many PC cases. It's a reliable choice for PC protection. What we like. These fan filters are a simple and affordable solution. They are easy to install and help protect your components from dust and overheating. If you like a budget-friendly option to keep your computer running smoothly, you should choose this one. It's a great way to extend the life of your components. What people say. These dust screens are great and easily cleaned in good quality. It's been about 2 months since I installed them and the inside of my computer is so much cleaner and I don't see any buildup of dust yet. Easy install. They are plastic so you can cut them with scissors if you need to, maybe as a retrofit, or custom fit holes are pre-punched, and since they're plastic, easy wipe down. They're flexible, don't have to worry about paint chipping or anything like that. Number 2. ELUTENG 140mm Dual USB Computer Cooling Fan. This is the ELUTENG Dual USB Cooling Fan. It's designed to keep your devices cool and running smoothly. It's a great solution for various electronics. This fan operates on 12V power and is compatible with many devices. You can easily plug it in and start cooling your router, computer, or gaming console. It helps extend the life of your equipment. The fan uses high-quality hydraulic bearings, ensuring a long lifespan. It can work continuously for 24 hours without increasing noise. It's designed for reliable performance. With a speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute and low noise levels, this fan provides efficient cooling. It has a good airflow to keep your devices cool. It's designed for optimal performance. The fan features a protective cover to prevent foreign objects from entering. It's made of durable ABS material and has reinforced corner joints. This design ensures safety and reliability. What we like. This dual fan system is powered by AC, providing strong and reliable cooling. It also includes multiple protections for safety and durability. If you are looking for a powerful cooling solution for your desktop or other electronics, you should consider this one. It's designed to keep things cool and running smoothly. What people say. Easy to install. The filter is doing a great job of keeping the dust out of the computer. The magnetic frame is a nice touch. Number 1. 120mm PC fan filter grills with screws, 4-pack. This is a set of 4 120mm fan filter grills. They feature an ultrafine aluminum mesh, designed to keep dust out of your computer. This helps to keep your components clean and running smoothly. The grills are black, made with durable materials. This design not only looks good but also provides long-lasting protection for your PC fans and internal components. These fan filters are ideal for preventing dust buildup inside your computer. They also help to prevent cables from being cut by the fan blades, ensuring the safety of your components. The grills act as a finger guard, preventing accidental contact with the fan blades. The package includes screws for easy installation, making it simple to upgrade your PC's protection. These filters are compatible with most standard 120mm fans. They are a great addition to any desktop PC, providing both protection and improved performance. The package includes 4 fan filter grills and 16 screws. Please note that the fan itself is not included. Get yours today and protect your investment. What we like. This fan filter features an ultrafine aluminum mesh for excellent dust reduction. It also protects your fingers and cables from the fan blades. If you like a durable and effective filter with added safety features, you should choose this one. It's a great choice for protecting both your components and yourself. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The magnetic frame is a great feature. It does a good job of keeping dust out of the computer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.